Cubot's new KingKong X is undoubtedly one of the most interesting and anticipated rugged smartphones in the world right now. With the ultimate power and protection, as the name suggests, Cubot's new robust smartphone brings 5G connectivity, long working autonomy with a 10,200 mAh battery, features the excellent 6.58-inch 120Hz refresh rate display, offers even two screens with a smaller one on the back, and all that $100 cheaper than the competition. Cubot simply offers the best bang for the buck, so be sure to find out more and watch this Cubot KingKong X video review. Cubot KingKong X comes in this rectangular box in turquoise color with the brand, model name and the photo of the device imprinted off the top of the box. So let's start with unboxing and see what's in the box besides the smartphone. Cubot KingKong X quick start guide and other paperwork. Additional screen protector, although the smartphone is already factory installed with protection. SIM-pin tray. We also have this USB-C charging cable and finally 32-watt fast charger that can quick charge this huge battery of the KingKong X. Okay, that was contents of this box. Let's move on and let's look at the smartphone. The Cubot KingKong X has a refreshing and a techno-futuristic ruggedized design that's particularly appealing. It combines metal TPU and polycarbonate with different textures that serves from function alike on certain areas on this rear shell. It is also textured to improve grip, the quality and feel that the KingKong X gives when you hold it in your hand are strong, solid and robust. The two vertical frames show off the metal part. The same material is particularly used for the back and for the frame on the camera model. I particularly like the rear end with this silver metal part and the frame of the small screen window, and just look at this tiny orange detail. It reminds me of the parts of a spaceship from some sci-fi movie, very bold, original and gives a touch of uniqueness to the grey world of the rugged phones. Excellent design work at the Cubot. In the steel frames on the right side we find 3 buttons. 2 of these buttons are used to adjust volume, while the third button serves as both the power switch and the fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone you will find the SIM microSD tray that supports 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card with a capacity of up to 1 TB. Here we also have this small orange programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or install applications and can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. And finally at the bottom of the phone we have a USB Type-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. The front of the KingKong X is dominated by the 6.58-inch display with the reasonably thick bezels for protection. A V-shaped notch with the option to be hidden houses a Sony 32MP selfie camera with face unlock option that will perfectly handle all your selfies and video calls. The light and proximity sensors together with LED notification light are placed to the left on the camera in the top bezel. The phone supports on-screen gesture navigation and navigation with the virtual buttons. Both options can be customized. Cubot KingKong X has a 6.58-inch in-cell IPS display with the FHD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. The display supports refresh rates of 120Hz, 90Hz and 60Hz. You can select which of these 3 to be used from the display settings. The KingKong X IPS panel delivers a rich and vibrant screen, boasting a wide range of colors and ensuring exceptional visual quality and usability with the 20:9 aspect ratio. Whether you are watching movies, playing games or exploring social networks, the screen elevates the visual experience to the next level. The colors are vibrant and vivid, with excellent black color performance, resulting in a striking contrast and depth. The phone LCD screen stands out alongside the best in the market, offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling and responsiveness. With the KingKong X exceptional display, you can enjoy an immersive and visual captivating experience that enhance your enjoyment of multimedia content or gaming. The display is also highly durable thanks to the Corning Gorilla Glass protection, providing reliable protection against scratches and accidental damage. But alongside the headline features, the Cubot sometimes likes to put something unusual in its phones and in its design. The back of the phone has a small screen that can display a clock and notifications. Located at the back of the phone, the 1.85-inch OLED screen can also function as a viewfinder for selfies using the main camera, providing a versatile tool for photography enthusiasts. Its touchscreen capability opens up further possibilities such as music controls, battery status, missed calls and messages, even a monthly calendar, adding to the phone's overall usability and appeal. You also have the option to change different watch faces, and when you get bored of the current one, you even have the option of putting together your own watch face if you wish. Around the frame on the screen, you can see triple lenses and the LED flash. The main one uses 100 megapixel OmniVision sensor, and it's also capable of 4K video recording at 30 fps. The secondary rear camera is OmniVision 5 megapixel wide angle lens. There is a third lens and it's a 5 megapixel macro unit with autofocus. The camera app used on the KingKong X is very user-friendly and easy to work with, especially when you can quickly access the settings without switching to different screen. But let's not talk too much. To get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our KingKong X, so let's take a look. The performance of the smartphone is a crucial factor for potential buyers, and it directly impacts to the daily tasks, gaming, multitasking and more. At the heart of the KingKong X, it's a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G octa-core processor with ARM-Mali G68 MC4 graphics. This advanced 6nm chip strikes an excellent balance between power efficiency and performance, making it ideal choice for mid-range smartphones. Engineered to handle everything from running everyday apps to managing resource-intensive games, this processor ensures top-notch performance even with the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store. In terms of memory, the KingKong X does not disappoint. It offers up to a large 32GB of RAM with a base of 60GB and additional 60GB of extended RAM. This substantial RAM capacity ensures smooth multitasking, allowing users to switch between apps seamlessly without any slowdowns or lag. Whether you are browsing the web, streaming videos or using GPS navigation, the ample RAM ensures the device can handle it all with ease. When it comes to storage, the KingKong X provides a 256GB of internal memory with even more generous version boasting of 512GB of internal memory. For those who need additional space, storage is expandable of up to 1TB with a memory card. This combination of powerful processor, ample RAM and extensive storage makes the KingKong X an excellent choice even for mobile gaming enthusiasts. Moreover, the KingKong X is equipped with a massive 10,200 mAh battery, guarantees hours of uninterrupted gaming. You can even go on long trips for multiple days without worrying about charging your phone. And when it finally needs to recharge, the 30W fast charging capability ensures you're back in action swiftly. The phone comes equipped with the latest Android 14, providing you with a clean and bloatware-free experience, and comes equipped with all Google applications and impressive features. Furthermore, it boasts several practical pre-installed apps, including a System Energy Optimizer and versatile toolbox, which can prove indispensable in various field scenarios. It supports global 5G connectivity, which means you can enjoy blazing fast internet speeds, smoother streaming and faster downloads. The phone also offers impressive wireless connectivity options. It's equipped with the Wi-Fi 6, the latest Wi-Fi standard, which provides faster speed, better signal coverage and improved battery life, so you can enjoy lag-free online gaming. Navigation is a crucial factor for outdoor adventures, and the KingKong X has you covered. It boasts an accurate navigation system that supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Baloo. With these satellite positioning systems, you can rely on precise location tracking wherever you are. Additionally, NFC, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 further support connectivity options, ensuring robust and reliable communication and data transfer capabilities. The KingKong X is a fully rugged phone designed to meet the high standards of durability, leaving no room for compromise. With its robust exteriors, reinforced components and MIL-STD 810H certifications, it can withstand multiple drops tests on all faces, corners and edges. The KingKong X achieves IP68, IP69K levels of protection, ensuring it is protected against water, humidity, dust, sand and more. Engineered for challenging off-road conditions, this phone boasts comprehensive resistance certifications, providing incredible 360-degree protection and safety. The Cubot KingKong X stands out as a remarkable rugged phone, blending robust durability with cutting-edge features and refreshing techno-futuristic design. With its advanced MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G processor, up to 32GB of RAM and up to 512GB of expandable storage, it offers exceptional performance for both everyday tasks and intensive gaming. The 6.58-inch FHD Plus 120Hz refresh rate display ensures a vibrant visual experience, while the unique rear OLED screen adds versatility. And the massive 10,200 mAh battery makes ideal for extreme conditions and long trips. This impressive robust smartphone, the KingKong X, will debut globally from 22nd July with additional discounts and promo codes available. As the most affordable 5G rugged phone on the market, it offers superior configuration and memory running on the latest Android 14. Don't miss out on this limited time promotional pricing. Grab your new Cubot KingKong X today through the official sales links below this video, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. That's all for now. We'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.